Albert Einstein and his inventions that changed everything. Hilarious edition, mind blown guaranteed. Imagine a dude with hair that looks like it survived a tornado, zero socks on his feet, sticking his tongue out at the whole world, and somehow inventing stuff that runs your phone, your GPS, and even makes lasers chase your cat. That's Albert Einstein, the ultimate chaotic genius. Welcome to Albert Einstein and his inventions that changed everything. But this time, we're cranking the laughs to 11. If you're ready for science that slaps harder than a photon, smash that like button before relativity makes this video feel like forever. Hey squad, I'm Salma, and we turn brainy stuff into binge-worthy fun. Today, Einstein, born 1879 in Germany, the kid who didn't talk till age 4. His parents were like, "Is he okay?" Turns out he was just saving words for equations. Teachers thought he was slow. Joke's on them. He became the fastest brain in history. Fun fact, little Albert hated school so much, he once told a teacher, "Your methods are outdated." Mic drop at age 12. He quit high school, failed the French part of his uni exam. The guy who bent time couldn't say bonjour right, but still aced physics and math. Ended up in a Swiss patent office, basically scrolling through inventions all day like early LinkedIn. Boring? Nah, that's where the magic exploded in 1905, his miracle year. 4 papers that wrecked old physics. First bomb, photoelectric effect. Light hits metal, electrons bounce out like they're escaping a bad date. Einstein, light's not just waves, it's photon packets, like tiny energy bullets. Boom, Nobel Prize 1921. Today, solar panels on your roof, calculators, satellites. Without him, your phone dies at 5% and you're back to carrier pigeons. Thanks, Al, you're basically my charger now. Joke break. Einstein said, 2 things are infinite, the universe and human stupidity. And I'm not sure about the universe. Savage. But seriously, if stupidity powered solar panels, we'd have infinite energy. Brownie in motion. Pollen particles. Brownie in motion next. Dust jiggling in sunlight. Atoms bumping them like a mosh pit. Einstein proved atoms exist with math. This led to better paints, smoke detectors, even your creamy shampoo. Pollen party equals modern cosmetics. Who knew Einstein was low-key a beauty guru?
Special relativity time. Nothing faster than light. Time dilation. Zoom fast, time slows for you. Famous equation, E equals mc squared. Mass and energy, same thing, baby. Powers nuclear plants, clean energy wind, and yeah, bombs, big oof. Einstein signed a letter warning FDR about Nazis possibly building one. He didn't invent the bomb, but his math opened the door. He later called it his one great mistake in life. Hilarious relativity joke. A hot girl sits on your lap for a minute, feels like a second. Sit on a hot stove for a second, feels like eternity. That's relativity. Einstein nailed explaining love and pain. Your GPS? Satellites move fast, clocks tick slower. Engineers fix it with Einstein's tweaks, or your maps would say turn left into the ocean. Pizza late? Blame relativity. Whoa, if your head's spinning faster than light, subscribe now and hit the bell. We drop hilarious science weekly. Comment your fave Einstein joke or fact. Best one gets a shout out next vid. Mine, he hated socks. Said, why wear them? They get holes anyway. Genius level anti-laundry. Barefoot king.
Einstein's Szilard fridge. Real invention alert. 1926 Einstein Szilard refrigerator. No compressor, no moving parts. Used absorption cooling like magic chemicals. Safer than old toxic gas fridges that sometimes kaboom. Didn't sell big, but inspired modern eco-fridges and AC tech. Einstein, patent clerk turned actual inventor. Respect. General relativity, trampoline warp, black hole sucking. 1915 upgrade, general relativity. Gravity equals curved space-time. Bowling ball on trampoline pulls marbles. Predicted black holes, gravitational waves, detected 2015, Einstein wins from the grave. Also hinted at gravitational lensing, light bending around massive stuff, now used to spot distant galaxies with telescopes. And lasers? Einstein's 1917 idea, stimulated emission, one photon triggers a chain reaction. Invented 1960, now in barcode scanners, surgery, cat toys. Your laser pointer is pure Einstein chaos. Cats everywhere thank and curse him. Bose-Einstein Condensate, atoms freezing into a blob. Bonus wild one, Bose-Einstein Condensate, 1924 prediction with Bose. Atoms near absolute zero act as one mega-atom wave. Made in 1995, now super-precise atomic clocks and quantum computers. Future Einstein tech incoming. Train story. Famous Einstein forgets his ticket. Conductor, no problem, Dr. Einstein. He searches pockets anyway. Conductor, really, it's you. Einstein, but I still don't know where I'm going. Classic absent-minded prof. Caviar fail. Friends surprise him with fancy caviar. He eats it mindlessly while ranting about physics, then says, if you give gourmet to peasants like me, we won't appreciate it. Savage self-burn.
Parrot therapy. Had a parrot he thought was depressed, told it jokes to cheer it up. Imagine Einstein doing stand-up for a bird. Fame lows. After getting super famous, he said, with fame I become more and more stupid. A very common phenomenon. Humble king. Einstein fled Nazis in 1933, helped refugees, loved sailing but capsized so often neighbors rescued him, played violin like a rock star, and dropped gems like imagination is more important than knowledge, or my fave, the difference between genius and stupidity, genius has limits. From solar power to GPS, lasers to quantum weirdness, this sockless, tongue-out legend built our world. Proof? Be curious, be weird, change everything. If this had you laughing and learning, like, share with your smartest or silliest friend, subscribe for more. Next, Tesla's electric madness or Marie Curie's glow-up? Comment who. Thanks for watching. Stay curious, stay hilarious, and remember, in Einstein's words, reality is merely an illusion, albeit a very persistent one. But your likes, totally real. Peace.